Why Kaspa is dumping? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to speak for the current situation of Kaspa because Kaspa is under 4 cents and Kaspa under 4 cents is huge discount. It's like we have a Black Friday today. And guys, I recommend you, instead of having fear, you must hurry to buy at those low prices the Kaspa, because this current dump that's happening may be caused from some fundamentals, which I'm going to explain you. And also right now we are moving into an oversold position, which was something that I expected back in the days. I have told you that before 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that when we were at that point, that I was expecting to see a pump up to 5 cents or at 0.055 cents, the maximum height, and then I was expecting a slight pullback, which is happening right now. This is healthy correction. We cannot move only into the upside. The corrections are healthy, okay? You need to know that. So in this video, we're about to speak for the current situation, what's happening. I'm going to dive into technicals and also into fundamentals too about the current drop. And also I'm going to tell you guys some important things, because recently we saw this tick speed crypto exchange to set down, and that exchange, guys, is important not because they had only Kaspa, but because they were one of the biggest exchanges that held Kaspa. So on this video, we're about to see all of these things, and if you are interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you are going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And also, guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to follow my channel, because daily I educate you and also I inform you around the Kaspa, what's happening with the latest news around the Kaspa. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you if you are interested to educate yourself or learn the latest news of the market. And also, guys, do not forget to check my Patreon group, because here you are going to find my private Telegram community where you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything in that group. I'm gonna be there to reply your concerns and your answers. And also we have multimillionaires and lots of guys with very high experience in that group. Also, you're about to see my crypto portfolio and how I handle my crypto portfolio, because I have got some experience behind my back from 2016. And also simultaneously you are going to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals. So if you're interested to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get straight into the price of Kaspa, what's happening with the ranked and with the market cap, and then we're gonna move into technicals and into the fundamentals. Guys, Kaspa right now it's standing at 0.039 cents, and we are ranked 55 from a market cap side, because right now we are standing at 788 million market cap. And as I told you guys, the corrections are very healthy, but this huge drop that happened, it happened because of also the tick speed, which set down. And guys, this was something that maybe caused damage to some people who were holding their Kaspa coins into that exchange instead of a cold storage or a KDX wallet or whatsoever. Okay, that's why you need to put right now, the time that we are speaking, all your funds, all your crypto funds into a cold storage. Never ever let your coins into a crypto exchange, because in that case these coins are not yours. It's yours when you have the keys. Okay, so from the price you can clearly see that Kaspa is moving into a downtrend movement, and it was a very predictable movement that I have told you before a couple of weeks, that after a touch point of 5 cents or 0.055 cents, we will experience a slight pullback, and that pullback is happening. And you can clearly see here that we are moving into a downtrend movement in the daily time frame. And also you can clearly see the broken support that I warned you the time that we broke that support, that we're gonna move into a lower price. But this drop happened, especially the last couple hours, faster than I was expected. And the reason of that, as I told you, it was because the TixBit actually closed. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, okay, it closed, it set down, but How is the correlation with the dump? Guys, it has correlation because TixBit had one of the biggest wallets into top addresses. Okay, it was, if I don't do any mistake, 7th or 8th. They had approximately 194 million Kaspa coins before a couple days, and right now they disappeared. So maybe they sell off everything of their Kaspa coins, or maybe the people who held the Kaspa coins actually are about to withdraw from that exchange. And as you can understand, maybe that type of sell-off or withdraw or whatsoever could create some panic and some more selling pressure of the day. And guys, the people who see sometimes some selling pressure, some big legs, some big red legs, emotionally doing the same and selling. Okay, that's why I have told you that 70 to 80% is actually diamond hands, but obviously we have some paper hands into the Kaspa, people who bought up there and they don't understand what is Kaspa. They actually bought because they saw this insane rally to the upside, so they thought that the rally is going to be continued, because some people said that publicly, that Kaspa price is gonna get always to the upside. No, guys, Kaspa price always is about to do corrections after a very big rallies. Okay, so that's why maybe some people feared that Kaspa is a scam or whatsoever, and when they saw this type of selling pressure, they actually sold their Kaspa coins in a loss. It's something that I have seen from the people repeatedly. Okay, it's very big beginner mistake from the paper hands. So that's why I tell you to dive deep into the Kaspa, and if you dive deep and investigate Kaspa, you're gonna be feel safe, no matter if you bought at 0.045 cents or 0.040 cents or even at 0.050 cents. You don't care, because the price is gonna get up. Always do dollar cost average and you're gonna be fine. So as I told you in the beginning, buying Kaspa under 4 cents is like we have Black Friday today. Guys, I don't believe that these prices are actually gonna last long. So if you're interested to buy Kaspa under 800 million market cap, guys, this is your time. Okay, do not expect to get to see Kaspa under 3 cents. I don't say that is 100% impossible, but I believe 99% we won't see Kaspa even at 3 cents. I have told you my worst case scenario, that is 0.035 cents, and if we're gonna see something like that, it's gonna be with a flash crash, and after that flash crash, we're gonna remain at 0.035 cents, 0.039 cents until we break this downturn movement, and we're gonna move in with another leg to the upside. And I would like also, guys, to show you the 4-hour time frame, because it's quite important. You can clearly see here some important things that it's like history repeating. You can clearly see we are moving into a downtrend movement, and Kaspa before a couple hours broke this daily moving average, and right now we broke it again and we are upwards from that red line, which is the daily moving average. And you can clearly see that this scenario happened the previous month. Okay, here we saw exactly the same situation. We had broke this massive daily moving average, and after a couple hours we saw again a breakout as a resistance, not as a support. We saw again a breakout as a resistance, and we kept moving into the upside. So maybe this is the same scenario here. We're about to do the same, and the correlation with this current situation and the current situation is also the same in the RSI. You can clearly see here we had an oversold position, and right now we had again an oversold position, and we are moving maybe into the upside. If we're gonna break this resistance, guys, and we're gonna move into a point like 0.047 cents, I believe that we're gonna continue the rally to the upside. That's why I also told you in my Twitter that prices under, let me find that, prices under 42 cents are extremely huge opportunity. You will never see these prices again. And guys, it's true. Okay, do not wait to see Kaspa at 2 cents because this is impossible to happen due to the current adoption. You can clearly see KuCoin is remain very stable into the holdings. 740 million Kaspa coins. They didn't sold nothing. They are keeping Kaspa very tight. They're holding Kaspa very tight. Get.io sold some small portion. Mixi had a very strong selling pressure. We are speaking that 3/4 of Mixi are sold off. Some people told that Asian venture capitalists withdrew some Kaspa coins from Mix Exchange, which I told you that this is rumors. I was a very big believer that Mixi actually did a swing trade and made some gains. I don't say that the East Asian venture capitalists didn't withdraw some Kaspa coins, but I don't believe that it was so many millions of Kaspa coins to see Mixi back to 336 million. Okay, maybe it was approximately 100 million price like that. So this is exactly what happened in the current situation. Guys, I will repeat that again. Remove your cryptos from any kind of exchange, because the people who have right now Kaspa coins into Tixbit and they held that Kaspa coins into Tixbit, they have a very big problem, because even yesterday for very extended period of time they couldn't even log in to their accounts. And you can clearly understand, if you don't have access to your cryptos, is not yours. The exchange can close down. We have seen that in the past, like Celsius, like FTX. They can bankrupt, they can get a lawsuit, and they can actually shut down the exchange without your permission, and you can lose your investments, okay, your savings. So always, guys, do a cold storage. And for those who don't know, guys, I recommend you, because you ask me a lot, that where I store my Kaspa and actually my Bitcoin too. Guys, I store these in the Tadgem wallet. Okay, you can clearly see also I have 10% discount with CryptoChris promo code, or you can click into the link here and you can buy through my link straight. The promo code and the discount code, it's gonna be applied through the link. You won't have to write the CryptoChris. But I save my Kaspa and my Bitcoin into Tadgem wallet, and I prefer it over Ledger. And I don't actually promote, guys, the Tadgem wallet because I closed a deal with a company or whatsoever. I choose to promote Tadgem wallet because personally I use that cold storage, and under my investigation I believe it is the best choice to have. Okay, so this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Do not forget also to check my Twitter, because here I'm uploading a couple tweets per day, so it's gonna be very beneficial if you're a Kaspa enthusiast to have these Kaspa tweets in your mind, this Kaspa positivity. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.